In this very lesson, we shall be looking at finding a particular term within a given binomial expansion. Remember, we are still on the binomial theorem. In our previous lesson, we learned how to expand a binomial expression. So we said that when you have a plus b all raised to the power 2. Now the expanded form of this binomial expression with a power of 2 is given as. So from this, we can observe that this is our first term, this is our second term, and then this is what? Our third term. So if we are interested in finding the second term from this binomial expansion, which is this, then we don't have to go through the stress of expanding the whole of this binomial expression with a power of 2. In that case, we are going to make use of the formula for finding the general term of a binomial expression. And that formula is given as n combination r, a raised to the power n minus r, b raised to the power r, where n is the power of the binomial expression, where r is the term that we are interested in, where a is the first term, and then b is the second term. The r is always one less than the term that we are looking for. So if we are looking for the fourth term, our r will be equal to 3. The r is always one less than the term that we are looking for. If we are looking for the 10th term, then our r will be equal to 9. So we use the formula r plus 1 is equal to the term that we are looking for. So we have the 10th term, the 10th term. So we can say that our r is equal to 9. So let's look at how we can find the fourth term in this binomial expression. So from this, we have to identify our a. Our a is equal to 2. Our b is equal to minus 1 over 2x. Our n is equal to the power which is 12. Our r is always one less than the term we are looking for. So our r will be what? 3. You can use the formula r plus 1 is equal to 4. So you can say that our r is equal to 3. Now that we have these parameters, we can substitute them into the general term formula. So we have n combination r, a raised to the power n minus r, b raised to the power r. So from here, our n is equal to 12, our r is equal to 3, our a is what? 2, raised to the power 12 minus what? 3. We have our b to be what? Minus 1 over 2x, all raised to the power r. Our r is 3. Let's do some algebra here. So we have 12 combination 3, and then we have 2 raised to the power 9 multiplying what? Minus 1 over 2x, all raised to the power 3. Now once you have this, you can punch it into your calculator. Everything is on your calculator. Just punch 12 combination 3, multiply 2 raised to the power 9, multiply minus 1 over 2x all raised to the power 3, and then we are going to get this value, minus 14080x raised to the power 3. So the fourth term in this binomial expansion is minus 14080 is 8 raised to the power 3. You don't have to go through the stress of expanding the whole of this and then identifying the fourth term. You can use the general term formula. Let's look at our next example. We want to find the fifth term in this binomial expansion. So when we expand this, what will be the fifth term? So from this, we are going to identify our a. Our a is 3. We identify our b is x. We identify our n is 7. Our r is always one less than the term we are looking for. So we are going to get what? 4. So once you have this, you just substitute these parameters into the general term formula. So we have n combination r, a raised to the power n minus r, b raised to the power r. Our n is what? Our n is 7. Our r is 4. Our a is 3. Then we have n minus r. 7 minus 4 will give us what? 3. Our b is what? X. So we have x raised to the power r. So we have 4. Now once you have this, you just punch all of this into your calculator, and then you'll be having 945 x raised to the power 4. As easy as ABCD. Let's look at our last example. So we want to find the system in this binomial expansion. We want to find the system from this. So we have to first identify our first term. So we have our a is equal to 6x. Our b is equal to y over 3. Our n is equal to 10. Our r is equal to what? 5. We are looking for the system, so we are going to have r to be 5, one less than the term we are looking for, that is r. So once you have these parameters, we substitute it into the general term formula. So from here we have our n to be 10, so we have 10 combination r, which is 5. We have our a to be what? 6x. N minus r, 10 minus 5 will give us what? 5. Our b to be what? Y all over 3. And then we have r to be what? 5. Now once you have this, you just have to punch all of this into your calculator, and then at the end you are going to have 80 64 x raised to the power 5, y raised to the power 5. So this is the system in this binomial expansion. As easy as that. This brings us to the end of today's lesson. But these are your tutorial set questions. Try your hands on it. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.